Alright, so here we have a Mitsubishi ductless air conditioner right here. Right here. It's running. Very cold and sweaty. It's from 2020. It's from 2021, and it's a 2-ton. So yeah, and there's an Amana P-Tech. There's 2 Amana P-Tech units up there. So yeah, yeah. Actually, there's a few Amana P-Techs. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Over and out. Oh, but actually, wait, no. There's another one over here. Right here that I think is turning on. Mitsubishi right here. Not exactly sure. I'll just say it's running. And this one I will not. 2000. I hate when they don't put the manufacture date on it. This is from 2020, I think, and this is 2.5 ton. Very cold. So yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.